Have you ever noticed that while we are turning on the air conditioner inside the house, what kind of weather conditions that the condensing unit is facing? Sunlight from the sun during the hot period, the rainy storm or wind from the sea, which is corrosive and may damage the condenser coil. Therefore, DAIKIN has developed the new condenser coil system named DAIKIN Microchannel Heat Exchanger. In general, the aluminum condenser coil will be covered with zinc to protect the aluminum material. However, the covered part could be eroded as well. DAIKIN has seen this problem. This is the reason why DAIKIN has developed DAIKIN Microchannel Heat Exchanger by mixing zinc together with the aluminum material to be aluminum alloy in order to increase the endurance as well as decrease the corrosive, which is different from the regular aluminum condenser coil. Inside the condensing unit that uses the channel heat exchanger technology, DAIKIN has paid the attention from the process of structure designing by adding the additional plastic between the conjunction of the condenser coil and the machine to prevent friction, to decrease the vibration, and to prevent the separation. Moreover, there is also another additional seal to prevent the corrosive due to humidity and weather conditions. The most important part is the aluminum alloy condenser coil, which is generally used and accepted that its quality is similar to DAIKIN's prototype copper condenser coil. To test the endurance of the aluminum condenser coil microchannel heat exchanger, DAIKIN cooperated with the National Metal and Materials Technology Center to test the corrosive by spraying saline solution, which is 5 times stronger than water from the sea, to the part of the condenser coil. The result came out that the aluminum condenser coil microchannel heat exchanger is able to endure against saline solution for more than 2,000 hours without deterioration and any leaks. DAIKIN did another endurance test by doing the installation at the real venue, which is a hotel that is located next to the sea and get wind from the sea 24 hours a day, to test how the aluminum condenser coil microchannel heat exchanger can endure against wind from the sea in the real venue. DAIKIN installed the condensing unit in the terrace of the hotel's room by facing the condensing unit to the sea in order to let wind from the sea interact with the aluminum condenser coil microchannel heat exchanger the most. With the passing of time, the environment changes over time. The aluminum condenser coil microchannel heat exchanger has still faced against wind from the sea for over 3 years. At the specific time, DAIKIN returned to the area where the condensing unit was installed again to collect test results and found out that even the condensing unit is surrounded by the environment that is full of wind from the sea, but the aluminum condenser coil microchannel heat exchanger has not deteriorated, and the aluminum condenser coil microchannel heat exchanger is capable of working regularly. When we turned on the air conditioner, we found out that the air conditioner has worked regularly the same as 3 years ago and still provide the similar cooling quality same as before. Comparing with the copper condensing unit, which is not covered by the special corrosion protection, we can see clearly that the aluminum condenser coil microchannel heat exchanger is in a better condition compared to the copper condensing unit that is also located near the sea. In conclusion, DAIKIN's aluminum condenser coil microchannel heat exchanger has the same endurance level as the copper condensing unit, good cooling performance, energy saving, space saving due to the similar size of the condensing unit. This is why DAIKIN's aluminum condenser coil microchannel heat exchanger has received a very good feedback, and the production is increasing every year. Therefore, we are confident with all models of our air conditioners, especially the aluminum condenser coil microchannel heat exchanger, which is very popular in the Asian region. The aluminum alloy condenser coil microchannel heat exchanger has developed continuously, as well as being able to use with other models of Daikin's air conditioners, and has a high endurance against all kinds of conditions and installation locations with trustworthy quality. No matter where you are at, no matter what kind of environment, Daikin is ready to be dedicated and to stand side by side for your long-term happiness.